Hi guys, are you experiencing any form of leakages on your walls, concrete floors, tiles or roofs? Then I recommend the polyurethane waterproofing coating paste for you. If you have a roof that is leaking, get the polyurethane waterproofing coating paste. Pour a substantial amount on the affected area and apply it evenly with your brush, and voila, the roof will no longer leak, as the polyurethane waterproofing coating paste will form a rubber-like substance that will screen off every leakage for you. The polyurethane waterproofing coating paste is made from durable polyurethane technology and screens off every leakage on all surfaces. Into wow roof a leaky, wow wall a leaky, wow concrete floor na a leaky. Ranabeto polyurethane waterproofing coating paste. Now here is a polyurethane waterproofing paste kakra ebegu affected area no. Now what they will brush so and we are it will solve the leakages on your walls. Now here is a polyurethane waterproofing coating paste no egu affected area. Now they will brush after so perfect. So what concrete floor na a leaky and now say insure muscle air green. Send your video listen no. Your polyurethane waterproofing coating paste no gusto. Nafa will brush ever fast to na make sure say obe cover everywhere with the polyurethane waterproofing coating paste no. And a war ebe form rubber-like substance be na a cover baby leakage back kra wonhu bio. Nya wo hia ne say obe hwe polyurethane waterproofing coating paste egu affected area. Now what they will brush afaso enriane ebesili leakages biara e wo wall and I say wo concrete floor and I say wo roof no ho. We also have very skilled and trained engineers who render services. It's why opese wo to nanso wo timi emfan apply. Contact Aqua Defense Services. Your engineers no beba site. Now concrete floor and now roofing and now tiles na elikino. Ambe baba ya ma oda aye kama. Waso wo pair obetimi ato 2 kg and 5 kg and 10 kg no. Na wa apply. Na ye enye den kra. The polyurethane waterproofing coating paste is suitable for all surfaces, being it concrete walls or surfaces, tiled surfaces, wooden surfaces, or any other surface. Just contact Aqua Defense Services right now for yours.